I'm doing a beef stir fry. Add a little oil to a hot pan. Add some chopped beef. This beef has been slightly salted already. I have here some chopped garlic, some grated ginger and some chopped chilli. That's a bird's eye chilli. I've taken some of the seeds out, but it's going to be quite hot. So I'm going to move the beef over to one side. Just gently fry the garlic and the ginger and chilli. I'm going to add some chopped onion, some cabbage, sliced mushrooms and sliced carrots. A little Marsala wine. And some soy sauce. Just let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm going to add some noodles. And finally some toasted sesame oil. Just a little bit. And there we have stir fry with beef. You can use chicken or pork for this, and of course tofu if you're vegetarian.